shoulder stretch session. Today I've got a short but effective and really nice flow for you that will release your neck pain, your upper body, your shoulder pain, and your back pain as well. These stretches are really amazing to do in the morning, in the evening, or really any time during the day when you feel like a lot of stiffness in your upper body, especially when you wake up and you feel very stiff neck. This should feel really nice. So let's begin. Just sitting comfortably, can be on your glutes or on your heels. Nice and straight spine. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Deeply inhale through your nose. Fully exhale. Inhale all the fresh air, open through your belly, ribs and chest. And exhale, totally open and free. One more time, inhale, expand. And exhale, relax your body. Remember that a lot of inner muscular tension is connected to the mental and emotional tension as well. So I hope you can relax for this practice from this beautiful forest. And let's start. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, right arm all the way to the left. Inhale here. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, left arm to the right. Inhale, lift and open the chest. It's like you're trying to turn your chest up to the sky. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, up. Exhale, stretch again with your right arm. Now place this hand on the back of your neck. Open through your right elbow. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, open. Exhale, right elbow to your left knee. Inhale, open. 2 more times like this. Twisting and engaging the thoracic spine, the upper body here. 1 more time like this. Stretch here. Open, lifting up. Stretch to the side. And now stretch both of your arms to the side. Place your hands down on the floor. Inhale, straighten the back. Exhale, release. Inhale, 1 more time, straighten. Exhale, release. Lower down here. Forehead down to the earth. Stretch through your side body. Relax through your neck. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale, lift halfway up. Walk your fingertips all the way to the other side, to the right. Inhale, straighten the back. Exhale, lower. Inhale, straight up. Exhale, lower. Stretch here. Don't lift your knees, keeping the knees open. Inhale. Exhale, relax here. Lower through your upper body. Resting your head. Inhale, lift up. Stretch your left arm to the side. And then left elbow all the way up to the sky. Exhale, elbow to the knee. Inhale, up and open. Exhale, twisting down. Inhale, up. 2 more times like this. Lifting the elbow up to the sky, turning your chest up. Stretch the arm up to the side again. And lift your arms up. Lovely. Place your hands now on the back of your neck. Inhale, open the chest, look up. Exhale, elbows closer to each other, chin to chest, and roll your back. Inhale, open and stretch. Exhale and roll. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Stay here, elbows close to each other. Very gently move your chin from left to right, from left to right. Feel the back of your neck stretching. Feel the space in your neck here. Inhale up. Now exhale, right hand on your left ear. Inhale, exhale, lower. Remember, ear to the shoulder. So now your right ear to your right shoulder, and the opposite fingers, the fingertips, are pressing away. Inhale, exhale, press. Inhale, exhale, press. Inhale, change the side, left ear to the left shoulder. Inhale here. And with your right fingertips pressing away, so you feel the stretch all the way through the side here. Inhale, exhale. The mosquitoes are really attacking. Inhale, exhale here. Inhale up, exhale. Keep both hands like this, so just forearms together parallel to the ceiling, and very gently twisting your upper body. So you're twisting from your waist, from side to side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. When you go to the side, exhale. When you're in the middle, inhale. Let's do it for 3, 2, 1. And let go. Shake your hands a little bit. Shake your shoulders. And take a full big circle with your neck 3 times to one direction. And then turn to the other. Come back to center. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your neck all the way to the left. And look behind your shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist behind the right. Inhale here. Exhale, twist a little bit more. One more time, all the way to the left. Inhale. Exhale, twist, look back. Inhale. Exhale, twist, look back. Come back to center. And now I invite you to massage your ears. So the bottom of your earlobes, this part is really tense and is very often connected to migraines, and is often connected as well to the tension in the neck. So when we massage this space, sometimes even only 15, 20 or 30 seconds, we are finding a little bit more ease in the upper body. We are releasing tension, so gently pulling down, massaging, pulling down, breathing here, inhale, exhale, release. And now again, turn your neck all the way to the side. Notice if your range of motion has changed, if you can twist a little bit more right now. Try it on both sides, 2 times on each side. I can already feel how much deeper I can go here, and back to center. All right, from here, let's go on hands and knees. And let's invite some movements of cat and cow, looking up on the inhale, rolling your back on the exhale. But of course, if this doesn't feel good for your breathing pattern, you can try the other way. Just engaging your spine, moving your neck here as well. This is really, really nice. Inhale up. Exhale to the back to child's pose. Inhale, front, arch your back. And then hips to the back. 2 more times like this. Inhale, back to center, hands and knees. Lifting your left arm all the way to the side. Exhale down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale down. Maybe you can move your knees a little bit wider here if it feels more comfortable. Inhale, left arm open up, lift and open. Exhale, bring it center. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bring it down. 2 more times on each side. Just opening the chest, opening your shoulders as well. Next time you open on the left, stay here. Open, looking up as well. Turn your head down, look down. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, head down. Look up. One more time, head down. Look up. Move your arm all the way to the left now. Adjust your legs, adjust your arms. Twisting here in a puppy pose. Holding here. Hips on top of your knees. Left cheek or left side of your face on the mat. Let's hold here. You can stay, or you can also lift your right arm up or bring it on your lower back. Hold it here, opening through your right shoulder and through your left as well, stretching the left side. Staying for 3 deep breaths. And inhale, right hand down, lifting up and twist, and left hand down. Now your right arm, inhale, open up, holding here, and twist your neck up. Exhale, looking down. Inhale, look up and down, chin up to the sky. Exhale, down, one more time. And exhale, move your right arm all the way to the left. Adjust your body here. You can stretch your left arm to the front, or you can lift it up here, or you can place it on your lower back. Holding here. Relaxing, stretching your right shoulder, opening through the left side as well. Enjoy this beautiful stretch and breathe. And slowly bring the hand down. Inhale, one more time, twist, and exhale down. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, lift your hips up, stretch your legs here in downward dog. Move your neck a few times, side to side, and up and down, like yes and no. Releasing all tension from the neck and from your shoulders down to the earth. Breathing deeply. Exhale fully. Slowly lower down on your knees. Inhale. Exhale, lower down on your belly. Extend the legs. Inhale, lifting up to Cobra. Open through your chest. Exhale, lower down. Inhale one more time. Lift. And exhale. Move to child's pose. Rest your forehead down on the mat. And maybe again, move your forehead, move your neck side to side. Or just stay in stillness for the next 3 breaths. Inhale, lifting up. Arms around and stretch up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. And now I invite you For the last part of this practice, just placing your hands, your fingertips on your neck, and just feel your neck press in a gentle circular movements, giving your neck some love, giving your neck some appreciation. Relax the whole back of your neck. Feel the tension releasing as you breathe deeply here. And inhale, open arms to both sides. Exhale, bring them together. Namaste. Thank you so much for coming to this practice today. Hope you enjoyed this quick stretch for the shoulders and your neck. And I hope it also helped you relax, create a little bit more space in your body. And if you enjoyed this class, please support this channel through liking, through commenting, and subscribing as well. I really appreciate it. And any suggestions in the comments, any feedback, I always love reading so much. Thank you. Namaste.